Welcome to Monkey Brain Movies. This is my studio for my filmmaking projects. Check out the logo. This could be you in the future watching one of my films. The name should speak for itself, but just in case it doesn't, the gist of it is that I like monkeys and movies. I'm going to hold off on announcing anything until we're further down the road to avoid any potential disappointment. But one hint that I do feel comfortable giving is that I love horror, so the projects I'm looking on now are horror adjacent. This is the Monkey Brain horror logo to go alongside my horror work. If you'd like to hear about my filmmaking, please follow this account where updates will be posted as soon as they are ready.